Welcome back to Pinnacle. In this video, we are going to solve the rectangular waveguide numerical, which is a commonly observed question in Endsem radiation and microwave techniques paper. So the numerical is the dimension of rectangular waveguide is given. Width A is 2.5 cm and height is 1 cm B. It is always remember A into B. The frequency is 8.6 GHz and the question is students have to find possible modes and cutoff frequency for TE waves. So first, to start a right solution, note down what is given. So what is given? A. Width of rectangular waveguide 2.5 cm. B. Height of rectangular waveguide 1 cm. Then frequency 8.6 GHz. We know that the possible modes for rectangular waveguide are TE01, TE10 and TE11. So from these modes, which is going to travel from this waveguide for this dimensions we have to find. The condition for the wave to propagate is lambda c should be greater than lambda 0. That means cutoff wavelength should be greater than operating wavelength lambda 0. The formula for lambda 0 is c divided by f. C is speed of light 3 into 10 raised to 10 and frequency is operating frequency. It is given 8 gigahertz. 8 into 10 raised to 9. So answer is 3.488 centimeter. So for TE01 mode, so TE01 mode always note down as TEMN. So that's why M is equal to 0 and N is equal to 1. And the formula for cutoff frequency is 2AB divided by under root of M square B square plus N square A square. Write the answers or put the values in this formula. A is 2, B is 1. So answer is 2B or 2 centimeter. Since lambda 0 is greater than cutoff frequency, TE01 does not propagate because lambda 0 is 3.488 and lambda c, which is calculated, 2 centimeter. That's why TE01 mode does not propagate in this waveguide. Next, we are going to check TE10 mode. Again, we have to calculate lambda c, 2a. A is 2.5, so it is a 5 centimeter. Since lambda c is greater than lambda 0, TE10 mode is a possible mode. And the cutoff frequency for this is c divided by lambda c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 10 divided by 5 is equal to 6 gigahertz. Now the next mode is TE11 mode. For TE11 mode, again note down the formula and put the values. So it is 2AB divided by under root of A square plus B square. After putting the values, we are getting answer 0.8944. For TE11 also, lambda 0 is greater than lambda c. That's why TE11 is not possible. So the possible mode is TE10, which is going to propagate from this rectangular waveguide, and the cutoff frequency is 6 GHz. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Pinnacle. After completing this video, please attempt the quiz as a homework on my YouTube channel.